Redditors, what is the creepiest thing your spouse has ever done? 1. My wife was sleeping in the passenger seat on a late-night drive home from visiting her family. Our very young kids are in the back seats out cold too. She suddenly snaps up and grabs the wheel screaming something about how I, the totally awake and driving just fine driver, am about to drive us off a cliff. She was full strength trying to turn the wheel to the right, which would have been bad. I started yelling, "No, no, no." Quickly realizing that wasn't stopping her, I had to full-on NBA rebound the wheel with my elbows way out, and shove her very hard back into her seat. I managed to get a hold of her upper arm and used it to shove her into the door when she apparently still hadn't realized the reality of the situation, and made another grab for the wheel. There was a lot of cursing and screaming. It was not pretty. Once she figured out what she had done, she lost it and started gasp crying worse than I've ever seen. The rest of the drive home was pretty rough. 2. One night, my spouse sleepwalked into the kitchen, opened the fridge, and started having a full conversation with a jar of pickles. I'm still not sure who won that debate.